Okay, we're live. Good evening, everybody. Welcome to the Paradigm Shift. Please welcome Mr. Shubhajit Mukherjee. He is the founder of Mission Green Mumbai, and he's a truly inspirational environmentalist. I saw a video of you, Shubhajit, on a WhatsApp group which talked about the eco brick, and you were talking about how we can, put in all the dry waste and give this to back to the BMC, and you could make pavements and cabins and schools and hospitals and corrugated sheets out of this. And you have been working tirelessly for conservation of the environment. You have been planting over 54,000, is that right, over trees for the last 5 years, and you have been teaching water harvesting to over 16,000 plus students and so much more. And you have been awarded like so many awards and everything. So we're going to hear it from the man himself. Shubhajit, welcome to the Paradigm Shift.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. In fact, I had been following your interviews and the way you had been interacting with great minds, great innovations, such inspiring people. They come to your platform, and I'm sure I have learned from them. And I'll try my best to
Oh,
put across the good things that we have done, where all your audience can also get some inspiration, where we can work as
right,
a team.
right. Absolutely. So, tell me, Shubhajit, what is your story? How did you begin? Like, how did this journey of yours begin?
We all want to do something good in life. We all have that passion. You, me, anybody you come across, we all see a lot of challenging situations around us. It can be quality of life, it can be health, it can be education, and every aspect we feel that we want to do something good, and somehow uh, our life cycle is such where we have to earn money, we have to take care of family. There's so many challenges we have that we are not able to focus much. But yes,
Right,
it was as simple as everyone starts with the very first step. My very first step was to just plant trees, request people to plant trees. I started in my office. I got good support from my team members, from the entire building, from the entire society, from the entire colony, and now we have so many people part of it. So I would really
right,
give all the credit to the the support that I'm getting. Wherever we want to do something, there are people coming forward, joining hands, and that is leading us
right.
to do something good for everyone.
So cool. Shubhajit, I saw a video of yours where you said that the dog you developed cough and cold. You were in a normal corporate job and you had a cough and cold, and you were the doctors told you not to use that link road. So is that when this paradigm shift happened for you? Tell us a little more about that.
Yes, yes, definitely yes, because I was experiencing some health issues, and definitely for more than a year, I'm always coughing and
Hmm.
not in the best kind of mood. When I went to doctor, he said that that's the life we have chosen in a city, and
Yeah,
if you want to live in a city like Mumbai or Delhi, so be prepared. I mean, this is not something that will go easily. If you're allergic, then you have to live this life. That
right,
really made me big time concern of, now is this what we are going to do? I mean,
right,
after all, we all are working hard for a beautiful life experience. We are working so much of
right.
effort. I mean, like, I never wanted to study, but my parents used to hit me, scold me that you have to study well, nahi to tumhara kya hoga. So we had been putting in so much effort. I mean, okay, let's अच्छा अच्छा बड़ क्या है वो पढ़ोगे लिखोगे बनोगे नवाब, what all the things. I mean, after so much of efforts, and if this is what we get, and getting all the humiliation from the HR department, you have not met your targets, you are not reaching office on time, and what not. I mean, we all face these things in life. But at the end of the day, if you're not experiencing that beautiful day, beautiful evening, now tell me one thing. I mean, we are living in Mumbai. How do we get the time to enjoy the sunset? Even on Sundays, ask this question: who gets the time? Nobody.
Right,
So there's something
right,
wrong. I mean, there's something wrong. There's wrong decisions that we have made. What are we trying to achieve? And I'm sure we are not even having huge bank balance after putting so much of efforts that चलो
Yes.
छुट्टी मनाते हैं
Yes.
6 महीना. We cannot do that. This lockdown has given us a big question mark, and like हम 6 महीना शांति से बैठ भी नहीं सकते घर में अगर बोला जाए तो.
Correct.
So
Correct.
it's a thoughtful situation where we have to. There are people like me, you, a lot of good people who are doing good work, and it is
Hmm.
important that all of us go into an introspection mode, understand how we can structure our life experience in future.
Right. So, Shubhajit, tell us during this pandemic, like you just mentioned that, it's been hard during this pandemic. So, what have you been doing during the pandemic? Were you locked in, or did you still go ahead and, do your thing and plant trees and water harvesting? What did you do during this pandemic?
Pandemic lockdown time was not a lockdown time for me because all those good people who are living in Mumbai, they wanted to do something. Had been calling me that, bro, I mean, you are sitting at home. We are all sitting at home. We had been putting in for environment. There's so many people who are hungry. People are walking down their hometown and natives, and there had been a lot of
Hmm.
issues. So then I got in touch
Hmm.
with the Mumbai police, and thanks to Mumbai police, they gave me a chance to work with them, and we got Kandivali, Borivali, and Malad region where we had been all our 35 volunteers who had been living this area, and great minds were there, and we had been very busy in feeding citizens, cooking food because that gave me a lot of questions. It is a beautiful things I want to share with you today. There are
Brilliant.
thousands of homeless, thousands of, I should not use the word beggar, but economically challenged citizens who are living on the
Hmm.
roadside, and they get free meal from the dhabas and the chaiwalas and the restaurants around every day. There's
Wow.
not a single restaurant in Mumbai who is not feeding these roadside citizens every day. You go to any restaurant and ask him how many people you feed every day without charging them. He will tell you 10, 20, 30, 40. That is the number. So because restaurants were closed, they were not getting food. They did not know what to do. A lot of bachelors like me, when I used to be, I did not know how to cook food, what to do, where to go. A lot of senior citizens were depending upon others. So they were really handicapped. They did not know what to do, how to be part of this
Hmm.
lockdown. So Mumbai
Hmm.
police came
Hmm.
into place. They helped us to identify, and with the help of citizens and Mumbaikars, we distributed more than 160 tons of food grains in just in
Wow.
100 days of first 100 days of lockdown. So it's all credit goes to the Mumbaikars, I would say. And in fact, we got support from across the world to take care of this effort. So
Hmm.
I'm quite.
So good.
I've seen a very beautiful picture of human being during this lockdown time, which is just
Yes,
amazing.
absolutely. So, Shubhajit, did you also get to plant a lot of trees and do water harvesting, or you were involved in all the social services and everything during the pandemic?
First 100 days of lockdown, we were definitely focusing in feeding, supplying water, first aid. But yes, after that, when there was first flexibility was offered, then we were given
Hmm.
permission without any
To
volunteering.
start.
Just
Hmm.
yeah, Mali used to go and start planting, and it was the monsoon time, which was very important, one of the most important time to plant trees.
Yes.
And thanks
Yes.
to few great companies, I don't know, do I have the permission to take the names, corporate
Yes,
names? I don't know,
absolutely.
but I'm extremely grateful to Mahindra, many great organizations who said that we understand we have a cash crunch. Even if our companies are locked down, we don't have money, much money, but
You're right.
they still took out time. They took out funds. Rotary Club, Lions Club, many NGOs, they came forward, and collectively, I think we did around 4,000 trees this monsoon post lockdown. So it
Wow.
was,
Wow.
but no volunteering was there. We had like 5 member team who had been continuously working every day, planting more than 60, 70, 80, 100 trees, and regular plantation was happening across
So
Maharashtra.
good.
And,
Huh.
and one thing more, great work is done in Murbad during the lockdown where we did around 11,000 trees with the help of Mahindra Logistics. So work is
Wow.
on. Uh,
Yes.
Technically speaking, it became more easy for me because there were no volunteers. Chup chap kaam karo and make the reports, follow up. So otherwise, a lot of time you are doing something and there are 100 people, 200 people, it becomes very difficult to manage. But
Yeah.
it was a
So
very busy lockdown time.
So this was like almost like Rabindranath Tagore's thing, Akla Cholo. So you were like doing apne aap se karte. I seen a beautiful video, I think maybe on Facebook or YouTube about this one man who planted the entire forest. That he just kept going because he says, you know, there is absolutely banjar land all throughout. I think somebody in the south, and then he just kept planting trees and trees, and now it's a forest. So you're like that one guy who's, you know, what was that one moment that, you know, you said, I'm going to start planting trees? How did you, what was that one day that you started, kal se I'm going to, you know, tomorrow morning, starting tomorrow morning, I'm going to start planting trees? How did that happen? Because this is something that I want to bring to the viewers. So why I'm asking you this is, it's not happened with me. My thing is to get other people's stories to other people. All right, it's not, I have not gone out and planted trees or gone and, you know, done my bit. So tell me what ticks in, what makes you flip the switch?
I think it was. I should accept this that there was a moment I was quite frustrated because I was not able to get the right kind of results I wanted professionally.
Right,
Because while I was doing job, I was not getting the right kind of increment.
right,
You know, certain promises
right,
made, and
right,
then there's a time when the company is not doing good. We cannot give you 30% hype. You have to do with 5%. So those
right,
frustrations and irritations were there. But yes, as
right,
I said, that when you start getting support from your fellow citizens, from your friends, from your
right,
family, and when people say that your thoughts are good, why don't you take it in a more serious way, and we will support you with all the
right,
things you need. And
right.
it was a phase where I got very good guidance from our ex chief minister.
Hmm.
Fadnavis sir is there,
Yeah.
his entire family, and we got a lot of knowledge transfer from BMC Garden Department, Forest Department. So that gave me a
Okay.
confidence that okay, I think I'm getting right help. They are there to support. Companies are coming forward. Why can't we take this? Why can't I take this risk of putting in full time into
Right.
this?
Right.
And I
Right.
discussed with my wife. She said that yes, go ahead, let us give it a try. I mean, we should definitely experiment in life. There are no rules as such.
Right.
So
Wow.
it just happened. It just really happened. In fact,
Okay.
there is no formula. There is no specific moment, but yes, it just happened.
All right. So did you face any obstacles, Shubhajit? Because everything that you're doing involves red tapeism, bureaucrats, and all. Like you just said, you had help from the government, but did you ever face obstacles from other things? You know that when you wanted to start planting trees, like what is like what are the basic obstacles that are people? Supposing a person like me wants to go out and start planting trees, what does one come up across? Or water harvesting, what does
Yeah.
one come across?
Challenges are people. Human beings are a big challenge because we are all different minded and we have different
Right,
approach to achieve things. So whenever you want to do something, it can be plantation or in office or at home or any profession, there will be different
right,
approach.
right,
And bringing like-minded people with the right kind of vision, with the right similar process where we can work as a team was difficult and it is still difficult. So
right,
coming across like-minded people is one thing, but coming across people who can work closely in the same music, follow the same music is very difficult, and that's
right,
what we wait for. And when definitely, I should be grateful to media for this because when they started writing about the good results that we have achieved,
right.
result sells. So when people start seeing results, that he is a crazy guy, he does weird things, but results are coming good. So somewhere things are falling in place. So let us follow his ways. And
Right,
biggest
right.
challenge also is when money is needed, when things are very complicated, when
Hmm.
DIY is a very beautiful word I have learned. Do it yourself. So every
Yes.
citizens, if we can come up with ideas to them where they can do it themselves, I mean, they can themselves
Right.
implement things, then people come forward. And that is what I tried identifying, that why you don't need to spend, you just need to
Hmm.
adopt a tree. You don't, I'm not
Right.
even asking you to go and get a plant and dig it. If you see a
Right.
sapling growing during monsoon, just adopt it, just take care of it, just put a stick next to
Oh,
it, let it grow big. So these
so
are the
good.
small small things where we started coming up with innovations, sharing of thoughts, and that is enough. So when with the help of Mumbai Mirror, I would say they gave a very nice article on how we can adopt a tree, and I think we got more than 500,000 views of that article, and a lot of people
Wow.
saying that, yeah, your thoughts are right, and that we don't have to spend, we just give 5 minutes every week, and that's enough. Just tell people
Right.
this is a sapling, this is mine, and I'm taking care of it. Just put a stick to it, and that is enough. So people know that somebody,
Wow.
it's not an orphan. It's not just lying here. You don't have to touch it. Don't touch it. There's a stick to it. So somebody is
Oh,
answerable. That's enough.
right.
So
So
for
good.
everything, when I talk about rainwater harvesting, if you come to the conventional way, it costs around 3 to 4
Right.
lakhs, 5 lakhs minimum. So I came up with
Right.
something
Right.
which is just 5,000 rupees or even less than that. And
Wow.
thanks to Kiran Bedi ma'am, I mean, she liked this idea. She shared it. She recommended to Niti Aayog, and extremely grateful to Narendra Modi sir. He started Jal Shakti Abhiyan. So ministry liked it. They made me an ambassador. So they liked this idea so that it goes to a lot of people. That things needs to be economical. Things needs to be DIY. I mean, it's like a very simple thing. You don't have to be
Hmm.
engineered mind that okay, how do you implement it? And if these are simple and conveyed to people, people follow it. As simple as that.
Right.
And it should
Right.
not be, as I said, it should not be expensive. It should not be a hole to the pocket. And it
Right.
became viral. This rainwater harvesting concept of percolation pit has been followed by many municipal corporations, and more than 3 lakh citizens have already implemented this across India. So these are the innovations that you, me, we will identify at a lot of places. We just need to
Hmm.
uh, bring it to citizens. That's what we need to do.
Right. Right.
So
That
this
is so
very
cool.
thing.
And uh, sorry, you were saying something?
No, no, nothing, nothing.
Okay.
I was just
And
looking at
so
the
tell.
plant which is behind you.
Okay,
I can
that's
see the
false.
flowers.
Sorry. Those
Okay.
are false. But I have a little balcony garden where, yes, my mother-in-law is extremely, she's enthusiastic about growing plants, and she has a green thumb. Whatever she grows, it grows. So yes, she is very, I love the greens that she grows. Okay, so Shubhaji, tell us a little bit about your water harvesting thing. I mean, like आपने बोला that it is very simple and it doesn't cost much. So if you can just explain to us a little bit about it.
I think I have a poster with me. I'm not sure if you can see this. Yeah.
Okay,
So
all right.
this is a very simple thing. This is a very poster which has been made, and the very
Okay,
thought is to. Okay, before this, I'll just give you a very small background. Water that comes from the sky, it is
right.
right now falling. It is running around. It comes on the
Yes.
cement, on the concrete, from the stormwater drain, it goes to the main road, it goes to the rivers, it goes to the ocean. We need to catch it, we need to stop it. So the water that is flowing, we need to stop. Because of concretization, water is not penetrating into the ground. Because ground,
Hmm.
inside the ground is the biggest reservoir in the world. That is where
Yes.
the water will stay forever, it will not evaporate,
Right.
and we have taken out, we have already lost 65% of the water which is there underground. It is important to send
Right.
it inside. What I simply
Right.
said that instead of collecting all the water at one place, so much of piping, so much of engineering designs, let us not commercialize it. Let us teach people to simply allow the water to percolate into the ground. So it was a very
Hmm.
simple thought, not a great deal that you come up with. Where is this? How do I show this?
Hmm.
Just make a
Yeah.
pit, 4 feet by 4 feet thing, and put a drum, let the water collect into this. The water is going into this, and slowly there are holes inside the drum, and it goes into the soil.
Okay. Oh,
This
wow.
is something you can do it even without spending much money. If there is a drum, it's good. Otherwise, forget it. Just make a allow the water to enter the ground. As simple as that. And because of this, It really went well, and thanks to technology, thanks to social media, thanks to WhatsApp, we had been sharing these videos, and it was
Yes.
a viral in the nation. A lot of people have seen this, implemented this. Such innovations I
Amazing.
mean look out for. And
Okay.
recently,
So good.
thankful to government of Maharashtra that they have liked this idea, and I think in next few weeks we are going to go very aggressive across Maharashtra implementing this.
Oh, super. That is so good. So tell me, Shubhajit, जैसे like if you have to teach, you said that you are teaching water harvesting to over 16,000 students. So if you have to be teaching this, how does one, invite you, or I mean, how many days does it take, or is it like an one day lecture, or what is it? Tell us about that so that we can, spread that message.
100%. It's just a webinar. Thanks to technology, we can through webinar. It's a 1 hour session where we explain every aspect, followed with a question
Hmm.
answer session with the
Right.
diagram, and where they can call me anytime after the webinar, where we can discuss more in details through a video call,
Right.
through the
Right.
site inspection through video call, and we can go ahead implementing it. That goes really well.
Okay. How nice. And tell us that you also go to schools and teach this to schools as well. And this can be
Yeah,
done
our
anywhere.
the last year, the entire time before pandemic, we had been only visiting schools because when we go to a school, we get 500 students, means 500 families. They go back to their societies, they discuss. We
Yes.
give them a letter that go and give this
Hmm.
to your secretary, to your chairman, and request them.
Right.
We used to give them a hard copy that show this to your secretary that okay, this is
Right.
what we had been discussing. Can you please help and
Right.
implement? And they can come back to us, and
Right.
where we had been guiding them over the phone free of cost. So that has
Okay.
really worked well. And due to the pandemic, it
Yes.
became more easy for me because we got into webinars, and we did more than 100 webinars, connected with so many students because they were at home. They wanted to listen to something good, and lot of them really implemented good things.
Wow. Yes, I see that you're working with a lot of young people. Actually, that is the right way of going to, when you catch them young and then, you kind of train them. And because I remember all these things have been taught to my children in school, like, don't burst crackers and this and that and plant trees and all that. And, it kind of goes on and carries on in their adult life. So you're doing the right thing. Okay, tell us also, Shubhajit, like I've seen you going and planting trees with, those little sticks around it. So where all do you do these? What are the sites that you do that? I mean, jo aapne saplings aap supply kar dete, that's okay. But like I've seen you going into, wilderness and also planting trees with, protection to the saplings and all. Where all do you do these?
So I'll take a step back where we need to plant trees in Mumbai,
Right.
because even if we see a lot of towns, even if we understand that there is no space, but the biodiversity is not attained at all. There's no
Uh-huh.
biodiversity in the city. So a lot of birds, insects, butterflies, they're not able to survive, and they have the equal
Right.
rights. This world is equally for everyone. They have the rights to
Yes.
survive. So to help them, we are first identifying the green patches and correcting the combination of trees which are planted. So
Hmm.
many of the gardens, it can be in a society, it can be the municipal gardens, or it can be a private garden. The fruit trees are missing. So our
Hmm.
priority is to add fruit trees so that there is food for other living beings. Other than fruit
Okay.
trees, our priority is flowering trees. The many beautiful flowering trees which are there. So that also we need to add. Thirdly, there are more than 2,000 Adivasi paras across Maharashtra. They are all farmers. They are the native
Mm-hmm.
citizens. Their land is not being utilized properly. So we are converting their mindset and giving them fruit
Okay.
trees and something where they can earn from. Because if
Okay.
I look at the MMR region, there are a lot of the
Hmm.
male member is working as an auto guy or a daily wage earner in the city, and the females are sitting at home, nothing to do. Water shortage is there, technology is not
Mm-hmm.
there, land is very small.
Mm-hmm.
So we are guiding them. So with the help of corporates, we keep planting. So Even in RA, we did close to 7,000 fruit trees so far. And
Wow.
across MMR region, we have crossed 60,000. But it's a very small number as compared to the need of the hour. It has to be in crores. But yes,
Right.
at least we are setting good examples where we have seen many more
Yes.
NGOs coming forward and they are helping this campaign further in a very big way.
Super. And Shubhajit, now coming to your plastic, conserving environment through plastic. I mean, plastic conservation. So these bottles that you have come up with, this eco brick. Uh, where does one give this? Are there collection centers, or you just put them in your garbage, or how does this work?
Okay, let me take a step back on this. So far, we all knew that wrappers are wasteful plastic. It has to be burnt
Yes.
or it goes to the dumping ground. And
Okay.
thanks to the innovations, thanks to IITs of India and the engineers, they have come up with beautiful products.
Yes.
Can you hear me, guys? Yeah,
Shubhajit,
we are
hi.
back.
I think I lost you. So yeah. Ha.
Yeah,
So you were
we
talking
are back.
about the MMR.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So this uh, wrappers, which so far has zero value, with the help of innovations that we have now learned, I'm trying to take it to all the municipal corporations and all the government organizations. And this particular
Hmm.
wrapper is a nation building product because these wrappers are now with the new innovations used for making houses, schools, toilets, paver blocks, bricks, even the wall that you see behind me. This is to an extent been made covered with those MLPs, and you cannot even imagine how
Yes,
beautiful they are.
absolutely. Oh,
So
wow.
uh, these are the new innovation. As I said, that we need to come up with innovations, and you must be aware of. We all have seen those corrugated sheets for roofing. It was made of
Yes.
asbestos or plastic or steel, iron. So instead of that,
Yeah.
now we are making these corrugated sheets from these MLP plastic, that is the wrappers. So these are the
Right.
innovations we are giving it to the recyclers so that, and these are like 50% cheaper than the conventional ways. So this is how we are
Wow.
trying to create real-time value, and I'm sure more and more people come to know about this. Plastic will no longer be a villain, and every form of plastic, every shape of plastic can be reused. Plastic is not a thing meant for dustbins. It is a thing meant to
Right.
to be segregated and sent for recycling. That's the mindset we are
Right.
trying to put. And thanks
Right.
to Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, they have recognized this thought and they have already started talking about this that plastic 100% any form of plastic needs to be recycled, and it is happening in
Right.
a lot of good places thanks to Bangalore, thanks to Pune, thanks to New Delhi. Kejriwal sir is also doing very good. Maharashtra government is doing very good. So I'm sure in few months down the line better results and where more citizens will participate in the process.
Okay. Now going back to my question, where do we give these eco bricks? Supposing if we collect like a lot of eco bricks from our building, our societies, our complexes, where does one deposit these?
It is simply needs to be given to the dry waste collection. So municipal
Okay.
corporation they send a dry waste van. Even the every
Okay.
day the van that comes, you can give them in a separate bag. That okay, we do not have a truckload, but
Clean
this is a
bottle.
one bag. Just take it and give it to the dry waste. So there is every van that comes to our house. It goes through a segregation process where
Okay.
metals are taken out.
Right.
So these plastic will be taken
Yes.
out and they will be sent for recycling. One thing is
Oh,
guaranteed that if you put
that
it
is
in this
super.
bottle, Yeah, if you put it in this bottle, it will be very easy to collect it, and it will be very easy to carry it. It will be very easy to store it,
Yes.
and it will be very easy to
Yes.
hand it over to any of the recyclers. Because now, if you
Right.
look at this bottle in my hand, this is the Eco Brick, and there are already more than 70 Maggie packets inside this. If I leave it
Wow.
loose in the, yeah, and it is still not full. It is
Huh.
going to take a lot of more
Huh.
time to fill it up. So
Huh.
this
Right.
is something, it's a collection of MLP plastic wrappers, and it is easy to transport. Give it to the recycler. Even if I get a recycler after 100 years, I can keep stored it and give it to a recycler after 100 years. Said, okay, this was done in
Wow.
India in that time. Now you take care of it. So that's the management. And we all have
Wow.
dandias at home. We can always use it. Just we have to keep open the
Pushing
lid
it in.
and
Huh.
yeah, push it in as much as you want, and it is still quite empty. So
Right.
it's like it's more than 2 months of plastic that I'm consuming, and it's still being collected.
Wow.
This collected form becomes
Shub
very easy to manage.
Yes, and it stays clean and dry. And Shubhajit, I must say that you eat a lot of Maggie.
I love it.
Yeah, I love it too, but I used to eat it back in college. Now my children eat it. I refrain from eating it. I'm trying to eat healthy.
That's true. That's true.
Okay, so tell us, Shubhajit, any tips for our viewers that are watching us? What does one need to do on just say Akla Cholo, like how you said, I'll just do my own thing. So it's like, what does one need to do on a personal level, and how do you go about it?
On a personal note, on a personal level, on an individual level, it is important for us to
Hmm.
understand that we buy only things which is needed. Do not get
Okay.
influenced with advertisers showing weird ads. आप ये लगाएंगे गोरे
Hmm.
हो जाएंगे, ये लगाएंगे उड़ने लगेंगे. Don't listen to them. It is obvious, and all the reports have shown that we waste 40% of our expenditures, we waste 40% of our spendings, wasteful expenditures. We can control it, and every time you don't spend money means you are reducing your carbon footprint. If you consume
Right.
less, if you consume only the thing that you need, if you buy only
Right.
thing that you need, means your consumption is coming down, money तो आपका बचता ही है, प्लस आप environment को बहुत बड़ा योगदान दे रहे हैं, because
Correct.
everything you buy, even the plastic vase that you have behind, it has a huge carbon footprint to it. So buy
Right.
only if you want, otherwise don't buy. तो
Right.
मेरे घर में भी एक
Right.
रूल है कि 4 बार सोचता हूँ तब जाके खरीदता हूँ. And we also need to understand that एक बार मैंने खरीदा, यूज हो गया, डोंट थ्रो इट. या पड़ा है, सालों तक
Right.
पड़ा है, अभी तो 10 साल चलेगा, डोंट डू दैट. गिव इट टू समवन एल्स हु कैन रीयूज इट. यू गिफ्ट इट टू
Right.
समवन कि मैंने खरीदा था, मेरा
Right.
काम हो गया है, नाउ यू टेक इट. So that,
Right.
so sharing is really very important. Sharing of resources is very important. Buy only if you need. That will save environment, it will save time, and it will solve a lot of purpose.
Shubhajit, my husband is on this chat and I think he loves you instantly
Thank you.
because he is absolutely of the opinion that money not spent is money saved. So I'm sure he's there and he just absolutely loves your fundamentals about
100%.
minimalism.
Money saved is the money earned.
Yes, absolutely.
So next time
Okay,
income tax
so
department will come into picture.
correct कि कितना save किया. Okay, tax on saving. Okay, so Shubhajit, and also tell us about your upcoming events. Are there any events that you're holding for this where you have, like say trees or water harvesting or plastic or anything else that you're doing apart from these three things?
We are working on one of the biggest campaigns ever in the state of Maharashtra with support from Ministry of Environment and Forest and Climate Change under the
Mm-hmm.
under the government, where we are coming up with a
Hmm.
campaign called Majhi Vasundhara Abhiyan. And this is a campaign
Hmm.
where every citizen will get to know about how they can save money, how they can contribute individually in their life to minimize their
Hmm.
carbon footprint. It can be
Hmm.
water conservation, it can be energy conservation. You have to reduce your electricity bill, phone bill, every aspect of nature conservation will be discussed. New innovations will be shown. Jugaad is the right word, where we will talk about the jugaads that are available, and where I would request every citizen to be part of this, and also not just be part but contribute to the ideas, encourage each other. अगर कोई बोल रहा है कि मैं शॉपिंग करना चाहती हूँ तो बिल्कुल मना मत कीजिए, हो सकता है उससे आपका कुछ भला भी हो जाए. So we need to
Correct.
work as a team. So it's a request that Maji Vasundhara Abhiyan will be something very important. We are trying to reach every individual in Maharashtra. Our first year
Right.
target of 2020 and 2021 will be at least 2 million citizens, and I'm sure we'll get that support.
Wow, that is so cool. So we have Mona Rathore that is saying that this is a great way of recycling, but it also shows that there is a fire hazard because considering plastic is highly inflammable. Is there anything that you have um, thought about
I
this part, this
completely
aspect?
agree. I completely agree. If you use the eco brick just as it is for construction purpose, it is highly inflammable. But what we
Hmm.
are doing with the help of industries is we are sending this for recycling. When it goes for
Okay.
recycling, it is converted into new products. I don't know if I have the time to go and get it, but let me see if there is someone in the house. Can someone hear me?
Okay.
Hello. Uh, can you see in the balcony वो एक corrugated sheet रखा होगा ऊपर. I've just asked my wife if she can identify
I
one of them.
yeah, I saw that. I saw the corrugated sheet on your Instagram page. You were showing it off. It was a beautiful, colorful corrugated sheet.
I got something
Yes.
with me.
Okay.
This is uh,
Okay.
what do we call that? This is in warehousing, in logistics. This is a block being used to keep things so that the forklift will
Okay.
come and lift it up. This is completely
Okay.
made up from MLP plastic. Those It was this, sent to the factory, and it became this. This is fireproof,
Okay.
waterproof, heat proof. It floats. It is half the cost, and this is half the price. So these are just
Right.
simple thoughts. So we are not aware of these
Right.
innovations. Now here comes this
Right.
corrugated sheet that I was talking about. This is
It's
made again from
beautiful.
this block. So you give this
Okay.
and you get this. This is the shelter that we are
Wow.
talking about, and this is
Yeah.
half the weight, fireproof, waterproof. You don't have to paint it, and this has 100 years of life, and after 100 years you bring it down and again recycle it. So thanks to Western
Wow.
Railways, they are using this to make railway stations पे जो छत बनते हैं इससे बनाए जा रहे हैं.
हाँ जी.
So that's the thing, we
Wow.
have to, there are new innovations जो मुझे भी नहीं पता था. When I started this
Hmm.
campaign of EcoBrick, मुझे इतना detailing में नहीं पता था, but thanks to the citizens of this country, they shared कि आप ये कर रहे हैं, मुझे दे दीजिए. There's a huge demand of
Oh,
these
wow.
eco bricks now, because there are a lot of factories. I'm not saying lot of factories. It's not that we have too many factories right now, but yes, there are maybe 20 factories across the country who are looking for these eco bricks, which can be converted into real time products.
Amazing. Amazing.
तो ऐसे बहुत सारे चीजें हैं जिसपे हम काम कर रहे हैं, कमरे बनाए जा रहे हैं. रेलवे का जो डब्बा बनता है, रेलवे में हम लोग ट्रैवल करते हैं, दीज काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स आर गोइंग टू बी यूज्ड नाउ. इनफैक्ट ऑलरेडी हो रहा है इन अ स्मॉलर वे,
Hmm.
बट वो अभी लार्ज स्केल तब हो पाएगा व्हेन एज अ सिटीजंस हम लोग उनको क्लीन एंड ड्राई एमएलपी प्लास्टिक पहुंचा
Yes.
पाएंगे रिसाइकलर्स में. अगर हम उसको झोले में डाल के
Hmm.
देते हैं या ऐसे कलेक्ट करके दे रहे हैं, आवर कलेक्शन सिस्टम इज सो नॉट टू द लेवल विच कैन हैंडल इट. बट अगर हम इसको बॉटल में बंद
Hmm.
करके देते हैं तो ये आराम से आप पानी में भी डाल दो तो भी निकाल के इसको दोबारा यूज कर सकते हैं. So that's the very thought
Right.
of putting everything in a bottle and giving it. 1 लीटर का बॉटल हो, 2 लीटर का बॉटल हो, उसको पैक कीजिए. एक साल भर तक अगर आप ये कलेक्ट करते रहेंगे, आपका जो 4 जन का अगर फैमिली मेंबर है, इट विल टेक 12 bottles to collect all your entire annual consumption of MLP plastic in bottles. So you have
Wow.
enough time to think, you have time to store, you have time to transport it, go to the factories, कॉम्पैक्ट हो जाता है, सो यू कैन सेंड इट फ्रॉम कश्मीर से कन्याकुमारी भी भेज सकते हैं, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कॉस्ट उतना महंगा नहीं रह जाता है, एंड दिस हैज बिकम एन इंडस्ट्रियल इनपुट नाउ, a raw material to
Wow.
make the country. So
Amazing. That
innovations
is
are needed.
amazing.
Every
Right.
aspect, everything, innovations are needed. Great minds जब साथ में आते हैं बहुत अच्छा काम होता है, and I'm very confident and very happy that I'm in a country like India where एक से एक दिमाग है, हमें साथ आना है और अच्छा काम करना है. That's it.
Very cool, very cool. So Mona is asking, where do we deliver these eco bricks? Mona, Shubhajit just told us that you can collect this from your complexes and societies and just give it to your garbage truck in a separate plastic bag, which they can be clean, and they will be segregating it, and they will be putting it this. Shubhajit, if you have such factories where these things can go directly, तो वो भी आप अपने Instagram पे डाल दीजिएगा, या we can also put it in the link of this video, so that if we get a lot of people to doing this, like you've started the hashtag EcoBrick challenge, so if we get a lot of this, we could probably give it to you, and you could probably give it to the factories that are doing these super innovations.
If you
So
are in
should we?
Mumbai, sorry to interfere.
Yeah, we are in Mumbai.
If you are in Mumbai, if you are listening to us in Mumbai, there's a beautiful
Yes.
initiative called Project Mumbai. They collect all these eco bricks from home, from your society, if you have a decent quantity. So if the entire
Okay.
society participates, they collect all forms of plastic, keep it at the place. They will come monthly once and take it from you and send it for recycling,
Amazing.
where you do not need to worry. And Project Mumbai is one of the most successful campaigns which I've ever seen in my life across the nation, and be part of this. They have a website,
Amazing.
projectmumbai.org, and amazing,
Okay.
amazing. It's a voluntary based run campaign. They have more than
All right.
500 volunteers. You can also volunteer by being part of this.
Yes. Right. And Mona says again, what is a decent quantity?
Decent
How much
quantity,
quantity does
say 100
is how
kg.
many kilos probably? Okay, 100
Yeah,
kgs. All right.
100
Okay.
kg for a 100 flat society per month. Because
Okay.
it's a
All right.
small,
Okay.
chota hathi, we call it as a small tempo that comes to your society, to your locality,
Yeah.
will pick
Yeah.
things from 10 different society and go to the factory directly.
Amazing. Yeah. So we could probably tell our neighboring societies as well that they can collect it and stuff like that. So Shubhajit, so you've told us about four things. Anything else that you would want to enlighten us about?
No, I think we are on the same page. जैसे कि मैंने कहा, आपका मेहनत का पैसा है, खर्चा करने के पहले सोचिए. Every time you are
Hmm.
spending, you are adding to the carbon footprint. Buy
Hmm.
only if you need. Reduce your
Right.
consumption. अगर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की जरूरत नहीं है, डे लाइट है. It is unfortunate to see students दिन के टाइम पे पंखा चला के लाइट जला के पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं. They should their the study table should be next to the window, enjoying the fresh breeze and studying in the fresh light, natural light. So there are
Right.
small things which we all must implement. We all know it, just that we are ignoring it. We are too busy in life. थोड़ा सा एक
Right.
संडे है तो संडे की तरह मनाइए. Think about it and just think of
Right.
one thing that you can improve every week in your life. That's done. एक साल में आप बहुत
Yes.
कुछ अचीव कर जाएंगे.
That is such an amazing message. So, on the closing note, I would like to ask everybody that has joined us from Mission Green Mumbai, please follow our page, The Paradigm Shift. We bring excellent, beautiful stories like Shubhajit, and the way that he is inspiring and motivating people to, work towards a better tomorrow. And everybody that is joined us from the Paradigm Shift, please go and look at Shubhajit's page. He's the founder of Mission Green Mumbai, and it's on Instagram, and it's also on Facebook. So you can look at all the things that he's doing, and you could also volunteer for the things that all his projects that are coming up. Either it's planting trees or water harvesting. You can invite him to teach your society or school or any other collection of people how to do water harvesting. Also, in one of the videos he said they supply saplings. If you just want to start planting trees, they will supply you saplings and you can adopt saplings. So please do that. And yeah, that's it from us. Shubhajit, any closing message that you would like to tell us?
Yes, grow your own oxygen by planting a tree. Otherwise, if you're not growing your own oxygen, you do not have the rights to breathe. As simple as that.
Oh,
And yes, when it
wow.
comes to water, exactly. And when it comes to water, you have to conserve water and then consume. Every drop of water is like a drop of blood. If you are wasting water, is as good as wasting blood. So think about it. Keep your eyes open. If you see even a drop of water being wasted, act on it. We have to catch every drop of water possible. Thank you.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you so much. It was such a delightful conversation. Have a great evening, guys, and join us now next week for other absolutely beautiful guests with more inspiring stories to tell. Thank you, and thank you so much from the Paradigm Shift. Bye.